what is test bed or test environment in software testing? So test bed or test environment, same thing. So test environment is the setup of hardware. So for basically where your software will be installed, with server, right? What all softwares will be required, what database is being used, is it MySQL, is it Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, what sort of network connectivity needs to be there, simulators, tools, and any other supported elements to enable you to test a particular application, right? For example, I say go ahead and test a banking app, right? So ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank or any other, ANZ and Westpac Bank. So if I go ahead and say that go ahead and test any of these mobile banking app, what all requirements would be there in order to enable you to test it, right? So you need some sort of server where this code base will be installed, the app code base, and then you need a connectivity so that you can connect to that test server and launch an app on your phone or on your desktop, and then log in to that particular app. So there needs to be some sort of a dummy test data or customer data in there so that you can use those profiles and log in and go ahead and test. So network connectivity needs to be there, server needs to be there. In the server, what all requirements are there to install this app, right? What all backend middleware needs to be supported, everything needs to be configured. So when we say test environment, it is basically the test environment or the test bed which will enable you. It's a combination of server and network, software, hardware, everything, tool, simulator, that will enable a tester to go ahead and launch the application from that server and test it. Now if I say, you go ahead and you already have these apps available online, or basically your apps available in production, right? So all of these banks have the app live available. Do you think that they directly deploy it into the production or into the live app and then testers test it? No, they test it in the test environment, and when everything works as expected for the features that are being added prior to releasing, then that is being released into the production, and then the end users or the customers who are using these apps and website day in day out, they'll be able to see those features in their app. Okay, so that's what test environment is all about.